Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the dreaded dump station, taking a look at how we can quickly and cleanly get the job done. All right. Test run. No leaks. All right, this is gonna be a big one, I think. You ready? So it's important to put it down through here because this is pretty low. And when I disconnect the hose, if it was above this, it's gonna leak. Believe me, I know from experience. I made a few messes in here. Doesn't take long for 40 gallons to go, does it? Sounds like it's done. Gray water. So we have a problem here at this dump station. There's no water to rinse out the tank, to flush the tank, so that's bad. I guess I shouldn't dump here until they get that fixed, but I'm kind of desperate right now. Hopefully I won't leave any problems behind. Still coming out?
Yeah.
Comes like in 2 waves. So the 3 times now that we've done this, this is by far the best one. 3 times or 4 times? I don't know either. First couple were traumatic. Sounds like it's
it
done.
might have stopped.
It's not making any noise. Alright, let's disconnect it. Put this on before anything bad happens. There's a cap, it just doesn't fit in. It came with one. Yeah, because this end is on. Okay, I'll be